everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to Bibi ka Maqbara. The price of your ticket is 25 rupees. You will get one token. Please do not lose this token. After returning, if you do not have a token, then you have to give 100 rupees fine. Let's go. Please subscribe my channel whoever not subscribe. Bibi ka Maqbara is also called Mini Taj Mahal. It is located in Aurangabad. This stone was built by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the memory of his wife in 1660. It is resembled to Taj Mahal, which is in Agra. That is why this is called Taj of the Deccan. As you know, Taj Mahal was built by Aurangzeb's father Shah Jahan for his mother Mumtaz. So many people around the world come and visit this place every day. This is the front entrance. Let's go inside by the steps. From top we can see it so beautiful. We can see there are also big gardens. Do you know one more important fact? Bibi ka Maqbara's architect is the son of Taj Mahal architect. Let's go inside. Remember one more important thing. We can take mobile for shooting, but we cannot take a camera for shooting. Look! So much money! This is the grave of Dilras Banu Begum. Aurangzeb spent 7 lakh rupees for its construction at that time. These marbles and stones were brought from Rajasthan. Look! Mughal architect, a fine example. We can hear our echoes here. This is the backside view. It is looking so beautiful because of mountains. Let's go down. Every 4 sides it's look the same. It looks very beautiful in the evening time. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to put bell button. Bye bye.